Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems related to boats and steams. We shall check the formula. In a stream of water, the direction against the stream is called upstream and the direction along the stream is called downstream. If you see in this image, in the first case, the boat is traveling against the direction of the flow of stream, so it is called upstream. In the second case, we can see both the directions are in the same side, hence it is called downstream. We have to remember this. If the speed of the boat in still water is u km per hour and the speed of the stream is v km per hour, then the speed of the boat in downstream is a is equal to u plus v. It means the net speed will be sum of the speed of stream plus the boat. Similarly, the speed upstream will be v is equal to u minus v. This will be the difference between the speed of the boat and the stream speed. I hope this is clear. Now let us see. When both the speed of the downstream and the speed of the upstream is given, that is a km per hour and b km per hour, then we can find the speed of the boat in still water u and speed of the stream v. This is from reverse calculation. Okay, but we shall mainly remember this formula, that is speed downstream is equal to sum of the speeds of boat as well as stream, and speed upstream will be equal to difference between the speed of boat and speed of stream. Okay, this one formula is sufficient. We can solve all the problems in this chapter. Okay, we shall continue in the next lecture. Thank you.